There are three ways to unlock the i20 Active. The top variant comes with keyless entry, so you can simply press the unlock button in the key to open the car. If your hands are full, then also there is a way to unlock the car. The car senses the key when it's in radius, and by simply pressing the sensor button in the door handle, the car can be unlocked. If the car remote stops working, then the key is placed in the remote. For the key, press the little button on the top of the unit and pull it out. Insert the key and unlock the car. The side view mirrors of the i20 Active open and close with unlock and lock. The top variant of the i20 Active comes with push button start. The i20 Active is a clutch start process. Press the clutch and long press the start stop button. The car will start. To turn the ignition off, press the button again. The i20 Active comes with one rear wiper, the control for which is in the same lever as that of the front wipers. The lever is behind the steering on the left side. To operate the rear wiper, turn the tip of the lever. It comes with 2 speeds. In case you want to spray water and clean your rear windshield, then push the lever back. The bonnet unlock lever is placed on the right side of the driver, just above the pedal. Pull the lever and the bonnet pops open. In the gap, there is another lever in the center. Push the lever to the left to release the hood. Lift the hood up and pull the support rod out. Place it in the gap for it to hold the bonnet. The controls for the electric mirrors in the i20 Active are in the driver door armrest. The round knob has a little button in the center to choose what side mirror you want to adjust. For example, push the button to the right and adjust the mirror with the arrow keys. The outside mirrors can also be closed from inside by pressing the button just above. You can pair the Bluetooth of the Active i20 by pressing the phone button in the infotainment unit. You get the option of pair and connect. Select pair by pressing 1. The car Bluetooth will turn on and search for devices will automatically start. The screen will display car name and passkey, which you will need to find the device on your phone. After this, turn the Bluetooth settings of your phone on and then scan for devices. The phone Bluetooth will display the car name and ask for the passkey, which is written on the screen. Punch in the passkey and the phone will automatically pair. The i20 Active is compatible with all Androids and the iPhone. The driver info display screen shows a lot of features. Apart from trip A and B, which shows the distance travelled, time and digital speed of the car, there are other features that you can customize in this. Press the top button on the right side of the steering once to operate these features. You get the main screen and the driver info display. Scroll up and down to change door lock settings, light settings, temperature settings and language. Also, the DID prompts you if the steering is not at 90 degrees. The lever for the headlamps is placed behind the steering on the right side. The i20 Active lets you put the lamps on auto mode. Turn it one more time to switch on the parking lights and another time to switch on the headlamps. Lever for opening the fuel lid is on the driver floor on the right side. Pull the lever to open the fuel lid. The tire air pressure sticker in the i20 Active is in the door gap. The sticker has information about tire size and air pressure. In the case of the i20 Active, it is at 33 psi. There are two ways to access the boot in the i20 Active. Unlock the car doors and the boot unlocks automatically. In the handle gap, there is a tiny button which you press and lift the boot lid. You can also open the boot from the key. Press the boot release button on the key to release the boot. To access the spare tire, first open the boot. Empty the boot out and pull out the carpet. The first aid kit is placed under the carpet. Remove that to access the tire. Unscrew the nut in the center and lift the tire out. Put the tire back in and tighten the nut in the center. Pull the lever to open the bonnet. In the left lower corner is where you have to fill wiper fluid. It has a bright blue cap. Lift the cap and pour the water in. Make sure you put only authorized shampoos and cleaners in your wiper fluid.